for principles and humanity, believe continuously and never give up. Yeah, may yung ano nga pala no, yung secession of Mindanao ano, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. It's not a psychological ek-ek no. Matagal na yan eh. Now, the problem is palubog ang buong Pilipinas. Kung kunyaring walang kumikilo sa inyo, might as well yung Mindanao, just save yourselves. Pati Visayas. Eh kung ayaw nila kay Inday Sara, di wag, doon ka na lang magpresidente Inday Sara sa Mindanao. Kung ayaw mo naman mahiwalay yung Pilipinas, wag mo isipin yun. Isipin mo, you can become the president of Mindanao, Republic of Mindanao, move forward, and the people will love you there. Now later on, when Luzon realizes na putang ina, kamali tayo, they would want to join up with Mindanao. Then they can have a federation of Philippine states. Meron Republic of Luzon, Republic of Mindanao, Republic of Visayas, di ba? So ganon. Pero ngayon nabago na because may bagong constitution yung Mindanao, may bagong yung pag-aari ng mineral resources, mga taga Mindanao. And kung may kutulong naman mga country, marirecognize kagad yon ng ibang countries. Then that's nothing wrong. Bakit? Intindi nila kasi bangag ang umiwalay na lang charting their own destiny. If you won't be recognized by UN, who gives a shit?